Hi, welcome back to Vedic Mathematics. Let us see the squaring of any number, any size of number in a few seconds. This is a very super fast method and you will enjoy it. Let us see how it is. Suppose I want to square a number 24 square. So here, let's take the units place digit, say 4, square it, 4 square, write 16. Next, take this 4 and multiply it with 4 with the remaining part of the number, right? 4 into 2. Of course, here we have only one number, one digit, 2. 4 into 2 and multiply it with 2, double it. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And this 16 is written here by just leaving one unit on the one place on the right side. So 16 is written here by leaving the rightmost place. Okay. Now 16 is written like this. Next, let's take another digit here. After 4, you have only 2. So take this 2 and square it. 2 square, 4. Again, we leave one place on the right side and write the result. So 4. So here, next time we don't have any other number on the left side. So just leave it. Now add these numbers. 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 1, 5. This is the answer, 576. You see how quick it is. Okay. Now let's see another example. Say 49, a bigger number. 9 is there. Now let us see how to do it. Let's start with the units place digit. That is 9. So 9 square. 9 square is 81. Right to the maximum right side. Next, this number is considered and the remaining part of the number should be multiplied with this. So 9 is multiplied with 4. Okay, the remaining part of the number. And 9 into 4 and 2. Multiply it with 2. So you get 72. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 18 4 72. So leave one digit on the right side and write the remaining part of the number to the left side. Next, we are left with only one digit, that is 4. 4 square. 4 square is 16. Leave one digit here and write the 16 here. Next, we don't have any other number. That's it. Close. Now, just add these numbers. 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 and 1 carries forward. 13, 7 plus 6, 13, 14. 4 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. So, 2401 is the answer. Okay. We can apply this to any size of the numbers, even it has 3 digits. Now, let's see the beauty of it. Start with the units place, size 3 here. So 3 square, 9, 0, 9 is written on the right side. Next, 3 is multiplied with the remaining part of the number, that is 12. Okay, 3 is multiplied with 12 and double it. Okay, 3 into 12 into 2, that is 672. 6 into 12, 72. So we write 72 here by leaving one digit here on the right side, one place. Next, we have 3 is over. Next, come to second digit, 2. So we start with 2. 2 square. Okay, 2 square, 4. Leave one place and write 4 here. Next, 2 is taken here and the remaining part of the number on the left side, right? 2 is multiplied with the remaining part of the number 1. 2 into 1 and double it, 2. Okay. So here 2 into 2, 4. Again you get 4 and leave one place on the right side and write the remaining part of the number like this. Next, we are left with only 1. 1 square. 1 square is 1. Leave one place here and write the result. That's it. We don't have any number in the right side. So left side of this number. So that's it. We have finished. Now just add these numbers. 9, 0 plus 2, 2. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carries forward here. 4 plus 1, 5, 1. So 15,129 is your answer. 123 square is 15,129. Okay. Let's apply this to a bigger values. Now start with the units place 8 square 64 written here. Next 8 is multiplied with 2 and the remaining part of the number. 8 into 2, the remaining part of the number is 36. This 36 is written here. Okay, so multiply it with and write 576, leaving one place on the right side. Next, this is over, 8 is over. Next we have 6. So come to 6 here, next digit. Square it, 6 square, 36. Leave one place and write the number. 6, next, 6 into 2 into the remaining part of the number, left side. For 6, you have only 3 here. So 6 into 2 into 3, only this part of the number. So that is 6 2s are 12, 12 3s 36. So leave one place again. Next, 6 is over. Next 3 square. 3 square is written, that is 9. Leave one place here on the right side and write 9 here. That's it. We don't have any other number on the left side of 3. So that's it. Now come to this and add these numbers. 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 here. 7 plus 6 plus 1, 14, 1 carries forward. 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, that is 15. 3 plus 9 plus 1, 13. So this is the result of the square of 368. Okay, 1,35,424. That is your answer. Suppose you take a bigger value, say 4 digits. Yes, even it can be applied to 4 digits or 5 digits anywhere. Now let's start with the units place digit, that is 9 square, 81. Next, the thing is, every time you have to square the number and in the next part double it, that is multiply it with 2 and with the remaining part of the number, whatever is there for that particular number on the left side. So for 9 we have 237 on the left side. So 9 into 2 into 237. Now multiply this and write it here, leaving one place on the right side. 4,266. Next, 7, right? Take 7 square, 49. Leave one place and write 49. Next, 7 into 2 into the remaining part of this number for 7, that is on the left side, 23. So 7 into 2 into 23. Clear? So multiply this and that is 322. That is written by leaving one place on the right side. Okay, don't write below 9 here. So leave one place and write the remaining part of the number. 7 is over, square and double. Next, we have 3. Take 3 here. 3 square is equal to 9. Fine. Next, in the next step, we have another number for 3 on the left side. So 3 into 2 into the remaining part of the number, that is only left with 2. So 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12 here. Leave one place and write 12. Next, we have 2 here. So 2 square, 4. Leave one place and write 4. That's it. We don't have any other number on the left side of 2 here. So it's over. Now just go on adding the numbers here, whatever are there. So 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carries forward, 6 plus 9 plus 1, 16, 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 2 plus 9, right? 15, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 4, 5. So this is your answer. So 2,379 square is this much. You see how quickly we can get it. But with just a practice, you can get even any size of the number can be obtained. It may be 5 digits or 6 digits. The process is the same. Okay. because we are just doing a simple multiplications, we can get it. So it can be applied to any size of the number. Hope you enjoyed this technique very well. And if you have any doubts, please do comment, subscribe and like. Thank you.